Call by reference. In call by reference, actual parameter changes into formal parameter. What are actual parameters? X and Y. And formal parameter A and B. Through actual parameter we send the value in function. Xy will take the value from here and it will go to the function which will receive by A and B. So these are formal parameter. In call by reference, actual parameter change into formal parameter. The value of X will go to A and the value of Y will go to B. So the actual parameter X and Y change into formal parameter A and B. But when there is change in formal parameter, you will see here there will be change in formal parameter. The value of A will be +2 and the value of B will be -2. So there is change in formal parameter. It affects the actual parameter. After this, when value of X will change into A, value of Y will change into B, there will be change in A and B, A +2 and B -2. The value of XY will be also change. This is called call by reference. So now let's understand the program. This is main program. What is this? This is function prototype. We have discussed it in call by value also. See this function void sum int, no need to write A and B. But what is the difference when we write in call by value and call by reference? See this ampersand sign. This will come here ampersand sign, and here also in A and B formal parameter there will be ampersand sign. So when we do like this, in prototype we write n%, and in formal parameter we also write ampersand. The program change into the call by reference. What is the value of X? 10. What is the value of Y? 20. What is this? Function calling. We call the function by name sum, and we are sending two values X and Y. Again I am telling you why, because in the function there are two parameters. Value of X will be received by A, value of Y will be received by B. So the value of A is 10, value of X, and value of B will be 20 of Y. Again A +2. What is the value of A? Value of X 10. 10 + 2 12. What is the value of A? 12. When we print the value, it will print 12. Now what is the value of B? 20. Value of Y? 20 - 2. 20 - 2 18. The value of B will be 18. So when we call from here, the control comes to the function. It will complete its process, receive value of X by A, receive value of Y by B. A +2, 10 + 2 12, B 20, 20 - 2 18, value of A 12, value of B is 20. Again after completion, the program goes into the main function and it will print the value of A and B 12 and 18. Now we will print the value of XY. It will also change. Actual parameter XY changes into formal parameter A and B. Change into formal parameter A and B, A or B formal parameter changes. So now when there is change in formal parameter, it also affect the actual parameter. यानी जब आपने formal parameter में change किया तो इसका impact किस पे पड़ गया? आपके actual parameter में. So now the value of X and Y will be the same as value of A and B. In call by value, it never be changes. It will remain same. But in call by reference, if the formal parameter value changes, it also changes the value of actual parameter. Now same program here, you can see. Now I am running this program. See the value of A 12. Obviously value of A is the value of X, and we are doing +2. See this one, 10 received by A, 10 + 2 12. So the value of A is 12. 20 value of B, 20 - 2 18. A and B 12 and 18. Again goes to the main function, and at that time when we will print, it will print the value, change value actually, which is the value of A and B. This is called call by reference. Means actual parameter is also changing.